Hey everyone, today I have for you a unique product that I haven't heard much about. It is a pet tent for a dog or a cat. Let your dog or cat have their own little getaway tent when you guys go camping. Let me open this up for you. So it comes in this really cool container. All you do is unzip it. Now I'm not going to pull it all out here because I'm going to do a little bit of a video outside in an instruction, but this is how it comes. You can feel the stiffness of the fabric. This is a little bit thicker than what a normal tent material would be. Stitching is really nice and strong. This just has lots of benefit. I'll give you more of a picture of it when I get it outside. I'm having it set up and I'm videotaping it. I want to tell you though, now it's good quality. We have a 2-room tent, and we used to put our kids in one and ourselves in the other one, but our kids got a little bit bigger, so now they want their own tent. So they got their own tent. What we're going to do with this is we're actually going to be able to take our doggy with us instead of having him pet sitted, and he can have his own tent and he'll be in the 2-room tent with us. So this will work out great. I want to remind you that I do a free monthly giveaway. You can subscribe, comment, and like on my YouTube channel, or you can subscribe, comment, and like on the URLs listed below. Thanks for watching.
There you go, doggy tent set up. Guess this goes over. Let me see here if that's fully. Okay, so there we go. Okay. And this, you want me to put this on too? This goes on in case of like rain and sun protection. Ta-da! Kind of covers the thing up. This is a doggy tent? This is a big doggy tent. That was like the easiest thing I've ever put together.